So we got this situation to handle. So in this question, if you'll observe that it is given that a function f defined from R to R satisfies the equation this. So we have a function which look like f of x, f of y minus f of xy equals x plus y. And this point is important, that f of x is f of y is greater than 0. Okay, means it is positive function. So for all input it will be positive output only. Now for time being, you know that you have to find out f of x. So for time being I want to replace x and y with 0 and let's see what happens. So the first part will become what? F of 0 square minus f of 0 equals to 0, because 0 plus 0 will become 0. Now can we factorize this thing so that we can take f of 0 common? We will be left with f of 0 minus 1 as 0. So we got f of 0 as either 0 or 1. Now what do you think? F of 0 can produce 0? No, it's not possible, because they are saying that f of y is positive, means for all real values of x the function will produce positive output only. So this is not possible. So what is the possibility? That f of x is equal to 1. Okay, so can we write f of 0 equals to 1? Now you know that f of 0 is 1. Now try to calculate who is f of x. So what I'm thinking, I want to take y as 0, because we have to find out f of x. So we have to do nothing with y. So what I will do, I'll replace y with 0. So we will have f of x, f of 0 minus f of 0 is equal to x plus 0. Okay. Now, so you know that f0 is 1. So can I write f of x minus 1 equals x? So we will have f of x as x plus 1. So we got our function as x plus 1. I hope you got the idea, and I wish you guys can handle similar situations as well. Okay.